take a photo of that. And after the machine is sitting there, where that photo.
Barb!
Right here.
Come up. So come on over.
I've been trying to stay close to you.
Okay, the first photo will be the mayor and the artisans from China. We have 12 artisans from China to assemble the pavilion.
哦，你好，你好，你好，不要动，干活的干活的。
I think we have everyone else.
太复杂了，所以我这个能看到很多。要不然就拿笔。对，而且我们拍完了，我拍的你很多好。
I've got. Where's Romy? Where's Paul? Romy? Where's Romy?
Oh, there he is. There he is.
Rain never hurts. Rain never hurts. Wei Ming Lu.
Bill?
Yeah.
I loaded up on the stuff that makes you look like a ghost. Oh, I'm sorry.
Not the first time. So we're looking for the mayor, and then oh, he's here. Mike Hom, Master Lei Xin,
It's hard to hear.
Chunchaw sculptor, Phelan's Meditation, and creator of the Martin Luther King Jr. Stone of Hope.
I think it's being louder.
Senator Huang He, Representative Tim Mahoney, Joyce Shao, Wei Ming Lu, Mary Wapea, Ying Changyang Yao, and Chen Zhu. And Zane Prince is also here.
I didn't realize that.
It's like a Salvation Army store. We help many different charities.
Who's that tall guy?
Hey! 哎，哎呦，你怎么你才漂亮呢？好，带着这个气氛就很漂亮。You're a VIP here. 在，你看看我们选择的这个。
I should have a jacket on. I know. He's just the smart guy. Like a roll of
cái chuyện này nhưng mà vẫn tỏ chứ.
Welcome. 南众，欢迎大家来参加我们的中国花园破土动工仪式。Welcome to Mayor Melvin Carter and all our honored guests to the groundbreaking ceremony of the St. Paul Changsha China Friendship Garden of Whispering Willows and Flowing Waters. My name is Linda Mealy Lohman. I am the president and co-founder of the Minnesota China Friendship Garden Society. Today we are celebrating the 30-year anniversary of the establishment of the St. Paul Changsha Sister City relationship. This relationship was first started by Mayor George Latimer, who is here with us in the crowd somewhere. Thank you. He traveled with Mayor Latimer in 1988 to sign that agreement. So Wei Ming Lu. And of course, the highlight today is to celebrate the groundbreaking of the St. Paul Changsha China Friendship Garden. The path to get here has been long. This is a sister city project that was initiated by the Minnesota China Friendship Garden Society in 2005. And at that time, we were just a committee of the U.S.-China People's Friendship Association of Minnesota. And it was founded by me and Joyce Xiao. And Joyce, where are you? Right here, perfect timing. And her husband, C.C. Shao, when we had a dream that we would create China Gardens in Minnesota based on those sister city relationships with China. The president of the U.S.-China People's Friendship Association at that time was Mary Warpeha, and she is right here. And as president, she supported this dream and has been working on this project with us for 14 years. Today, our dream is being realized. So thank you too, Joyce and Mary, and Wei Ming for this, bringing us to this day. I have a very strong spotlight on me. We have been working in collaboration with the City of St. Paul and St. Paul Parks and Rec Department, and we thank Mike Hom, right here, and Alice Messer for their leadership, and especially to architect Brian Murphy for his unfailing commitment to this project. Brian is here. And this is also a collaboration with the City of Changsha and the Yangpu Wetlands Park, and the Changsha Artisans and Architects, Jennifer Fan and John Wen of the Hunan Genke Landscape Company, who created the beautiful designs that you are seeing here today. Oh, Mayor Latimer has just arrived, and Mayor Latimer, we were thanking you for initiating this project 30 years ago. Thank you.